So today is really all about, you can see the proteas in my screen. It's not a special sponsor. The protea is a symbol of Sister Lillian Center and sensitive midwifery that put us all together. It's also our South African flower that we're all proud of. And I think it's a good time to be a bit proud of our country, no matter all that's been going on. I think a week later, there are many, many reasons that we can still be very proud of our country, to see how resilient we are and how we pull through tough times. So a bit of love from my side. And here is the lovely recipe from Amy Van Der Merwe from An Earthen Life. Check her out, she's got incredible recipes, and this is today's one for you to share. And please try it out. We'll post the recipe in the comments.
Hi everyone, I'm Amy from An Earthen Life, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen again. Today I'm going to be making a high protein pasta. It's going to be made with greens and avocado. It's really amazing. I love this one for the kids. I love using this Happy Earth pasta. It's a local pasta made purely from chickpeas, and it doesn't have any gluten, no sugar, no preservatives. I really love giving it to Rose. She loves pasta, and this one is just so much more nutritious, so that's what I really enjoy about it. I've got it cooking here with some water, a little bit of oil and salt. I don't know if you can see me through all the mist. And then we're going to be blending together some beautiful baby spinach, an avocado, some basil, a little bit of olive oil, some water and salt, and that's going to be the pasta. So it's really getting your greens in, all that folate, all the amazing things, iron. So many good things come from dark leafy greens. You get calcium from it, and this is just a basket of goodness. We're going to use half an avocado. Use a small bowl full of basil. And then I'm going to add a generous handful of baby spinach. I'm using baby spinach, but you can use normal spinach, you could use kale, you could use morogo, whatever you like will work really well. I'm going to stuff it in here. I'm going to use some olive oil, a little bit of salt. Remember, for your kiddies you really don't need much. You can always add on extra for yourself. And some beautiful water to make it a nice liquid sauce. Okay, then I'm going to use my blender. I only have a stick blender. You could use a stick blender or a jug blender, or even a food processor would probably work for this. So I want to add some zestiness to this. I've got my beautiful sauce. It's nice and thick. It'll cover all my pasta beautifully. I'm going to put some zest in my pasta. You can also put this over the top. I don't know about your kids, but River really loves lemons. She licks them and eats them and pulls funny faces, but keeps doing it. So I love to add some zestiness to it. And then I'm also going to add some of the juice. Add a little bit of juice to my sauce. Just going to pour my beautiful green sauce over my pasta and get it all in there. And give it a beautiful stir. So I'm going to pour this into my bowls. Add on a little bit of dukkha. I really love some crunch, and so does River. So in here I've got some coriander seeds, some nutritional yeast, sunflower seeds, and sesames and a bit of salt, and pour that over the top. And there we go, ready to have a healthy meal, really quick, all the greens, all the protein, really nice for your babe. You like it?
Yeah, thank you so much, Amy. That looked super easy and super nutritious. All the greens, all the healthy good stuff, and I really love that pasta. That normally pasta we think like you can't really eat it, it's full of carbs or whatever, but this looks like a really nutritious option. Get it to your kiddos, get your hands on that. Really, really lovely. Thank you so much, Amy, for keeping us inspired to be healthy. I hope you enjoyed that. This was us for today. Short and sweet, inspirational. Remember, eat your veggies, and we'll see you next week. Take care, lots of love.